My name's Joe. I'm a principal engineer in the aerospace industry, and I would give Statgraphics Centurion a 5 out of 5. Before using Statgraphics Centurion, we used Excel. We switched to Statgraphics Centurion because of its ability to produce much better looking graphics and charts. Statgraphics Centurion is a very powerful statistics tool. We really liked that it produced such nice looking graphics that made reporting up to higher levels of management a much more impressive looking document. Statgraphics Centurion does have a bit of a learning curve. I would recommend using online training tools. There's actually a lot of good YouTube videos that really helped make it something that we were able to use rather quickly. For those that are considering Statgraphics Centurion, I would make sure that your statistical background supports using a software that does have a bit of a learning curve. But if you can get over that, I really do recommend it because it is a far more powerful tool than Excel.